Good morning, everybody. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. I've broken down my camp because the wind's picked up and it's thundering. As you can see, the lightning out there. It's supposed to rain pretty hard here, so I have retreated to the bathrooms. The bathrooms here are just pit toilets, but they are pretty sturdy concrete buildings. So I'm going to hang out there for a little while rather than trying to stay in my tent for a thunderstorm. Good morning, everybody. I slept in the pit toilet house from about 1 o'clock or 1:30 this morning till about 7. Then I got up and got ready to go. It was still raining, so I waited till 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock I was on the road, or getting ready to go on the road. Was on the road shortly after 8. Sorry, I had to take a drink. It's about 9 o'clock now, so I've done my first hour. I've got about 9 miles in of a 60-mile day. Continuing on. Pretty much back roads, a couple cars here and there at this hour in the morning. Again, as I said, it's 9 o'clock here. Continuing on. See you at the next stop. Hey everybody, just arrived at camp. It's a total today of 63 miles. Actually, it's 61.3 miles. So a little bit different than that. This is not my camp. This is the cabin they have here. I'm right next door to it, but there's nobody staying here, and they have some nice chairs sitting here, so I decided I would sit down and take a rest. I literally just got into camp. It was a 9-hour day today. 7 hours and 15 minutes of that was I was actually moving. I did stop for breakfast, and then I stopped for some lunch. Couldn't eat much. Didn't feel like eating, so I ended up sending most of it back. But I did get some cold water to drink, which was good, and then continued on. So tomorrow I have a 60-mile day to my next campsite. That means in 3 days I have put in 191 miles. So maybe looking to do another 0 day because it's been doing pretty long miles. Thanks for joining me. Talk to you tomorrow.